You need to remove the door panel to replace the window switch. Do not try and pry the switch out. Even if you can get it out without damaging the door panel, the wiring connection is too short to access it to replace the switch. Door panels cost over $4,000 to replace, so I recommend not even trying, just remove the panel. For additional assistance with door panel removal, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. With the panel off, take it to your bench and lay it on top of a clean, dry towel. Here you can see the electrical connection indicated by the red arrow. Press in on the tab on the connector red arrow and pull the connection out from the switch. There are 4 metal tabs that hold the switch in place. Use an angled pick to release the 2 through the access hole, red arrows. You can release the clips on the inside, red arrows, by accessing them between the panel and the switch. With the clips released, red arrow 2 shown, you can remove the switch from the panel. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.